Hello everyone, I am Yasraj from the student of St. Joseph Academy, class 8. The student of class 8, today I am standing here to talk with you about the microorganism, which is taught by our teachers Rajbir Pandey. So let's start. First of all, what is microorganism? Microorganism are those organism which is very small in size that we cannot see with our naked eye. Microorganism is of 5 types: bacteria, virus, protozoa, algae, and fungi. Today we are discussing about bacteria and its classification. First of all, what is bacteria? Bacteria is the oldest and the smallest living organism on the earth. Bacteria is divided into on the many bases. On the basis of shape, bacteria is divided into four parts. First, rod shape. Second, spiral shape. Third, circle means spring shape, and विब्रो shape. कोमा shape में जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं उसको विब्रो कोलेरा बोलते हैं. On the basis of nutrition, bacteria is divided into two groups: heterotrophic bacteria and heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria का मतलब हुआ वैसा बैक्टीरिया जो अपना मतलब फूड वो खुद ही से तैयार करता है. वैसा बैक्टीरिया को हेटरोट्रोपिक बैक्टीरिया बोलते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल में पल्पल सल्फर बैक्टीरिया, पल्पल नॉन सल्फर बैक्टीरिया, और होता है हेटरोट्रोपिक बैक्टीरिया. वैसा बैक्टीरिया ये समझिए कि वैसा बैक्टीरिया जो ह्यूमन में बीमारी कॉज करता है. वैसे बैक्टीरिया those types of bacteria is called heterotrophic bacteria. Now on the basis of temperature, bacteria is divided into 4 groups: thermophile bacteria, hyperthermophile bacteria, mesophile bacteria, and psychrophile bacteria. Thermophile bacteria are those types of bacteria which sustain above 40 degree and which sustain below 40 degree, and hyperthermophile bacteria which sustain below 80 degree Celsius. And next is psychrophile bacteria. Those bacteria who best sustained in मतलब below 40 degree Celsius are called psychrophile bacteria, and mesophile bacteria who best sustained below 40 degree, and psychrophile bacteria whose best sustained below 0 degree. Like an example of thermophile bacteria is Elvoris thermophile, and example of hyperthermophile bacteria is Archaebacteria. Now on the basis of cell wall, bacteria is divided into two groups: gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are those kind of bacteria which have thicker cell wall, like as Streptococcus bacteria, and gram-negative bacteria which have those have thinner cell wall, like as E. coli bacteria. That's all. Thank you.
So as you mentioned that bacteria cannot see by normal eye, so how can I see? How is it possible to see?
It is possible to see by the device of name as microscope.